got some fish and chip, hot fish and chip for dinner. And the wonton soup. Yeah. Juice here. Yeah, you want to sell the cat? Oh, pinili po isang may goya. Yeah. Ara. Last. But for me, I want to try the Korean grill thing. Korean grill chicken flavor. Like the snacks. I want this one. What's that? What do you mean lollipop? I want to eat the lollipop for dinner. Okay, anyway.